Hello explorers, welcome to India Radar. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of Karnataka's most enchanting hill stations, Nandi Hills. Let's dive in. Nandi Hills is a serene hill station located about 60 kilometers from Bangalore, nestled at an altitude of 1,478 meters. To reach, by road, a 1.5 to 2-hour drive from Bangalore via NH44. You can also opt for state transport buses or hire a cab. By train, the nearest railway station is Chikkabalapur, just 10 kilometers away. By air, the Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore is about 40 kilometers away. History: Nandi Hills are named after Nandi, the sacred bull and mount of Lord Shiva, and hold great mythological importance. It served as Tipu Sultan's summer retreat, and you can still see the remnants of his fort. Tipu's Drop is a must-visit spot, though its history of prisoners being pushed off the cliff adds a dark twist to its beauty. Don't miss the 1,000-year-old Nandi Temple, a marvel of Dravidian architecture and devotion. Best time to visit: October to February. Ideal weather, clear skies, and perfect for trekking or sightseeing. Monsoons: June to September. The hills turn lush green, but carry a raincoat just in case. Avoid the summer months, March to May, as it can get quite warm and humid. Arrive early for the sunrise. It's a crowd favorite. That's all for today's adventure at Nandi Hills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to India Radar. Let us know in the comments if you've been to Nandi Hills or if it's on your travel list. Until next time, happy exploring!